The company Master Herbs is recalling its Licorice Coughing Liquid because it contains morphine, and that's not noted on the label. Master Herbs said customers who don't know they're ingesting morphine, which is an opioid, could be at risk for respiratory depression, even death. And the company is pulling all lots of the product in 100 milliliters sold in Chinese grocery stores in California, New Jersey, Hawaii, Illinois, Ohio, and Nevada. Master Herbs said it's not aware of any adverse effects associated with the medicine. Customers are asked to report any reactions to the FDA.